Hey, what's up guys, it's Kaustubh here, and today guys, as per the title of this video, I have bought my first ever Apple product, which is the Apple iPad mini 5. So this is last year's model basically, but this is the latest generation of iPad mini which is currently available. This is my first ever Apple product also, so I'm pretty excited to unbox it basically. Basically we will be doing the unboxing and initial impression. I will be giving my initial impression about this one. So let's just quickly unbox it, and as per the drill guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and also turn the notifications on so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And with that being said, let's roll the intro and get the video started. So first of all guys, talking about the design and the build quality, then as you guys can see, as soon as you hold the iPad mini 5 in your hand, it has this huge bezels on the top and the bottom, and it does look a bit outdated, I should say, because now in 2020, now that almost each and every budget phone has a bezel-less display, this does look a bit outdated. But even though it has its own classic Apple charm, I should say, retro old charm with Touch ID at the bottom, so it's okay. And the next thing guys is with the design. So if you see the back panel, it has this beautiful unibody aluminum design which feels really premium to hold in the hand, and with that very important Apple logo in the center as well. So design wise is also really looking good on the back side, and it does weigh in at about 300 grams on paper guys. So it is a bit heavy, I should say, not heavy, but it is okayishly heavy for a tablet of this size. I was expecting this much. So weight wise it is okay. 300 grams feels very well distributed in hand. And also what I noticed is that I thought like I would be able to use the iPad mini with one hand, but no, that's not the case. Most of the times I was using with it both the hands. So that's also one thing you should remember, or you should keep in mind if you are planning to purchase this iPad. Nextly guys, talking about the beautiful 7.9-inch True Tone Retina display up front guys, and this display just looks gorgeous. It has such great sharpness levels. The colors are really vivid, they really pop out because of this display, I should say. Also the viewing angles are really good. So that's one thing that I really liked. And another thing that really fascinated me is that you can watch YouTube videos in 4K 60 FPS out of the box, that too in the stock YouTube app. So that was something crazy for me. Like I have never seen Android phone do that before. So me coming from an Android phone to an iPad was just a crazy thing, and I was really amazed to see that as well. But one thing that I didn't like is that the display is not HDR10 certified, so you cannot really watch HDR content on it in YouTube, at least is what I've noticed. So that's one downside. But then too, the display is just gorgeous. The colors look really good, and overall it's a great display. So finally guys, talking about the party trick of the iPad mini 5 is that it has the A12 Bionic processor on the inside. So this processor is guys just an absolute beast of a processor, because even if you do any sort of multitasking, or if you play any heavy games, any intensive task like photo editing or video editing on it, it just handles it perfectly fine. No lags, no stutters of any sort. Also it has 3 GB of RAM. So 3 GB of RAM might sound a bit low in 2020, but no, that's not the case. The iPad mini 5 just handles it really well. Multitasking is also really good, and this two, like the A12 Bionic and this 3 GB RAM combined with the iPadOS 14 is just a perfect combo, I should say, because iPadOS 14, the software optimization is so good, like so good. Like for a person like me who's coming from Oxygen OS, from Android side to this iOS side, I was really amazed to see the software optimization. It really just blew my mind. It is so smooth, buttery smooth. So yeah, software is really good. Also, one of the deciding factors, like for me at least, to buy this iPad was the 3.5mm headphone jack. So the iPad mini 5 has a 3.5mm headphone jack still, and you can still use your big headphones, which I use usually. So that's why it was one of the deciding factors. Otherwise, I could have gone for the iPad Air, which is a bit more expensive. But yeah, so that's why one of the main reason for buying the iPad mini was a 3.5mm headphone jack. And also, lastly guys, talking about the battery life. So the iPad mini 5 has 5124 mAh battery, and this battery, Apple claims about 10 hours of video watching time, or watch screen on time I should say. But in my case, my scenario, on one full charge, I was like almost used it for about 3 to 4 days continuously. And my kind of usage is like watching a lot of YouTube videos, watching movies, Amazon Prime, Netflix. So mostly entertainment is the main part of my usage. So in that case, I was able to use it for 3 to 4 days easily. There was battery life is also really good. I liked it. The battery life is also well. So performance wise, iPad mini 5 is still out there. Like, it is not a slow iPad by any means in 2020. So guys, finally concluding the video, overall the iPad mini 5 has really impressed me, and this were my initial impressions. And if you have liked what I have told you guys about the iPad mini 5, then do drop a like down below. And if you like this video, also do drop a like down below, and get subscribed to my channel, because a lot of iPad mini or iOS 14 videos are going to come to the channel. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel. And yeah, so that's been my time guys. This is your boy Kaustuv from Tech to Explore, signing off. Until then, you guys keep exploring.